The highlights of the day are similar to yesterday. Exhaust and reverse up 1,000 on the day, up 3,400 on the month. Brand new equity peaks for this strategy. You see there was a drawdown here, and then it made new equity peaks. So really good trading in exhaust and reverse, even the S&P. Great combination with the 50K portfolio, as some of you are doing. No trades in exhaust and reversed in silver. Crude oil, another highlight on the day. SR counter trend 2. That was yesterday's. SR counter trend 2, this version, up 475. SR counter trend 4, up 475. Not as many SR counter trends buying the dip today as there were yesterday. SR counter trend 4 has had a knack for getting in at the lows. Got in at the exact low for this custom session. That's one of the reasons why we canceled and replaced the market. Got out right near the high, so good trading in that strategy today. Cobra crude, aggressive and conservative, both down minus 385. Example of diversity and how buying breakouts is difficult, but buying the dip works. And so those are the trades on crude oil. Let's look at the stock indexes. Really a choppy day. We see these distributions try to happen in the stock index market. Stock index futures, distribution, selling, profit taking, whatever. Feels like a stop run if you're a retail trader. And so today this strategy was profitable while yesterday it was not. But most of these were stopped out near the lows. It's a choppy day. Difficult to trade these types of sporadic moves. And so you see SR counter trend 2v2, 1M was up 475, 475 on the 5M. The SR counter trend 2 is minus 825. Tick count trend had a nice short, really small short though, plus 8750. And then we had no trades on 60-minute breakout. After hours ES 2.0 up 162.50. The 3.0 version did a little better. And Cobra 3 mini S&P minus 625. Adaptive moving average got beat up again, second day in a row, minus 23.25. This is our biggest loser. And one of the more challenging strategies that we're dealing with right now is adaptive moving average. 60-minute breakout short, minus 950. We're not trading that one. You know, these short signals would be good long signals as we discussed. Night trader hit its profit target. And we had, those are the trades on the ES. In Q, Cobra 3 E-mini NASDAQ minus 625. Gap continuation minus 325. Stopped out there. Really, it's just a really choppy day if you look at this. Sell off, roll over, spike down, spike down. All the sell offs get you know, supported. There's support here at each sell off level. So tick pulse V12 minus 625. Those are the ESNQ trades on the day. Let's go to the beta B setup. So the trades are VSD minus 395 on the day. Market goes up and then enough to generate a signal and then rolls over. Very choppy market. It's up near the highs, hard to make it go higher, so when it tries to pull back, there is no fall through the downside either for the shorts, and it gets propped right back up in the middle. That's what it's been the last 2 days. You see the choppiness in this market and the difficulty it is to trade that type of price action. Viper minus 400, gap continuation, big stop loss, minus 725, tick fader, plus 375, good counter trend day to trade. EVP1 minus 1025, no follow through to the downside on these sell-offs. And beta C, tick wave had a good trade going. Market made it all the way back. NASDAQ closed up again right around, and the trade was plus 50 on the day. So PR breakout minus 325, VSDES minus 375, 60-minute breakout minus 2445. See what I'm talking about? It tries to go up, rolls over, tries to go up, rolls over, tries to go up, rolls over. So some of our top strategies that got us there are struggling in this chop the last couple of days. Minus 525. Crude oil, we already went over that. Natural gas, no trades on the day. RBOB, no trades on the day. Gold, we had Asia Gold 4 long, stopped out. Minus 1,025, minus 1,025. This one has had a good winning streak. You see 2 winners in a row here recently and then 1 loss. Those winners are $1,500. The loss is $1,000 on the gold contract. Cobra Gold was up on the day though, plus 575, capturing a nice short. Gold continues to stay at lower prices than I would have anticipated. The new store of value may very well be the stock market instead of gold. And the reason I say that is because the Fed supports it. So people put their money there, investors put their money there because they believe the Fed will keep it up no matter what. It has more support than any other asset. Problem is the cost of the cost of supporting it devalues the dollar over time. So that is the scenario we are in. The euro is higher, plus 31.25. Soybeans swing down on the day, minus 425. No follow through to the upside. Exhaust in reverse. We already went over that. There's some old strategies, the optional strategies. We had VSD Night Trader that's we're trading in the micro stock index and micro gold portfolio, plus 675 on that trade. And Cobra 3, these have profit targets, but they were both stopped out today. No follow through once they got in on the trade. So those are the trades on the day. 2 choppy trading days in a row for February the 11th, 2021.